Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to enable SafeSearch on iPhone. You can enable Google SafeSearch on your iPhone using either the Google app or your browser. So open Google app. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap settings in the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll down until you see SafeSearch. Click on it. So once you're here, what you need to do to enable it is to choose Filter. So this will block explicit images, text, and links. If we're using your browser, you can open Safari or Chrome, then go to Google SafeSearch settings, then under SafeSearch, select Filter, then scroll down and tap Save if prompted. So if you can't turn it on, check whether screen time restrictions are enabled. So you just have to go to Settings, then scroll down and go to Screen Time, then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. So scroll down and click Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, if you're using a school, work, or family managed account or network, Safe Search may be enforced and cannot be changed. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.